It just keeps going. It just keeps going. Oh shit, look at them 20s. I feel
I'm about to pick them shits up. You're gonna lose them.
Look at that.
Here we go. Ready?
I'm sorry.
What'd you break?
Did it break or did it just slip off? Oh shit, don't record that.
What an idiot.
It just totally changed.
Now she's raining gold necklaces and shit.
It's a chain. The chain's really, really thin.
No, it's a box chain. It's supposed to be thin. It's supposed to be thin, but it's strong.
Yeah. Well.
You also did yank it pretty quick.
I was trying to hold it in there. I'm sorry.
Wait. Oh, the chain broke. You can get it fixed. She's like,
Your phone, babe.
I didn't get it fixed here. I didn't get it here. I got it in California.
oh, you did. You can get it fixed too.
Your phone. Your phone.
Breaking phones change.
Shit.
You got all that money. You better pay her back. At least I and it's all gonna be gone tomorrow, HMA.
Wait, hold on, I have a thong on.
Throw 20s at hoes in the strip clubs.
Here you go, mama. Oh, you want some too? Here you go. Yeah.
It's fixed next to Mary.
That's only on YouTube, you know, right?
And my other stuff is on there. I might as well just get used to the idea. Because Carson doesn't really have permission when she puts stuff
Wait
on
till
YouTube.
next year. We're gonna have our own little show on YouTube.
The Kirsten Mary show.
No, it's gonna be the Mary doing weird shit on camera, Kirsten videotaping it show. You heard that? Next year, we're coming, get ready! We're gonna make it rain!
I ain't poor. I'm poor. You can't see them!
The big boobies.
Oh, I can see them, girl. I don't know what's wrong.
That's nice. Housing deposit, bitch. I ain't spending this.
What's your pixels on your camera?
7.
What's your laser drop?
Or 6.5, one of them. We don't care about your hands. We want to see them 20s.
Yeah, boy.
Alright.
Want to see them 20s?
Woo! Does AJ know you got money like that? He found the right woman. No. Alright, that's enough of that.
No.
I'm done. I'm done.